The gaming industry has evolved far beyond the days of solitary joystick-wielding gamers in dimly lit arcades. Today, it's a multi-billion-dollar global enterprise with millions of players, intricate in-game economies, and an ever-expanding digital landscape. However, the explosive growth of the gaming sector has not only attracted enthusiastic players, but also the attention of money launderers and financial criminals. But how can the gaming industry tackle such illicit crimes? And how is the gaming industry implementing AML policies and procedures? In today's video, we will be taking a look at what is the gaming industry, how money launderers are infiltrating the gaming industry, and how AML is helping the gaming industry. Hello, and welcome to another KYC Lookup video, where we bring you AML related content to help you enhance your knowledge in the fight against money laundering. Before diving into today's video, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos. Oh, and don't forget to leave us a comment with any suggested topics you would like us to cover in the future. So, on to today's video. What is the gaming industry? The gaming industry, often referred to as the video game industry, is a global sector that encompasses the creation, distribution, and monetization of video games. Video games are electronic games that involve player interaction and are played on various platforms, including personal computers, consoles, mobile devices, and the internet. The gaming industry is a diverse and rapidly evolving field that includes game development studios, publishers, hardware manufacturers, online platforms, and a vast community of players. The key components of the gaming industry include game development. This involves the creation of video games, including designing gameplay, graphics, audio, and storylines. Game development studios are responsible for producing games for various platforms. Publishing. Game publishers are responsible for marketing, distribution, and sometimes funding the development of video games. They play a crucial role in bringing games to a wider audience. Gaming hardware. Companies like Sony, Microsoft, and Nintendo produce gaming consoles, while other manufacturers gaming peripherals and accessories such as gaming PCs, virtual reality headsets, and gaming controllers. Online platforms. Online gaming platforms like Steam, Xbox Live, PlayStation Network, and mobile app stores provide a marketplace for gamers to purchase, download, and play games online. They often include social features, multiplayer capabilities, and digital distribution. Esports. Esports, or electronic sports, is a subsector of the gaming industry where professional gamers and teams compete in organised competitions, often with substantial prize money and dedicated fan bases. Gaming communities. Online and offline communities of gamers form around specific games, genres, and platforms. These communities often include forums, social media groups, and in-game communication features. Monetization. Many games are monetized through various models, including the sale of game copies, in-game purchases, subscriptions, and free-to-play models with optional microtransactions. The gaming industry has experienced significant growth over the years, becoming a major entertainment sector that rivals the film and music industries in terms of revenue. It continues to innovate with new technologies like virtual reality, augmented reality, and cloud gaming, expanding its reach and appealing to diverse demographics of players. How do money launderers infiltrate the gaming industry? Money launderers infiltrate the gaming industry through various techniques that exploit the unique characteristics of virtual economies and online gaming platforms. Here are some of the common ways they do this. In-game currency conversion. Money launderers can use real-world funds to purchase in-game currencies or items, which can be exchanged with other players for real money. This process can obscure the origin of illicit funds, making it challenging to trace transactions. Microtransactions. Money launderers may utilize microtransactions to move small amounts of money regularly. By making numerous small in-game purchases, they can obscure the trail of funds and avoid detection. Trade and auction platforms. Some games have trade and auction platforms where players can buy, sell, and trade in-game assets. Money launderers exploit these platforms to facilitate the transfer of funds while appearing as legitimate transactions. Digital wallets and cryptocurrencies. Virtual currencies, cryptocurrencies, and digital wallets are often used by money launderers to hide the source of funds. They can convert illicit funds into cryptocurrencies, use them in in-game transactions, and later convert them back into traditional currency. Game platforms with weak AML controls. Some online gaming platforms may lack robust anti-money laundering AML controls, making them attractive targets for money launderers. They may choose platforms with less stringent identification requirements or lax reporting mechanisms. Cross-border transactions. Online gaming is inherently global, enabling cross-border transactions. Money launderers can exploit this feature to move funds between countries, making it challenging for authorities to track the flow of money. In-game casinos and betting. Some games incorporate in-game casinos or betting systems, allowing players to wager in-game currency. Money launderers may use these features to legitimize illicit funds and then cash out through in-game or real-world transactions. Account takeovers. Criminals may hijack legitimate player accounts and use them to transfer and launder funds within the game, taking advantage of the account's legitimate history to avoid suspicion. And complicated in-game economies. Complex in-game economies with numerous in-game assets can make it challenging for authorities to trace funds, as these economies are not always transparent. To combat money laundering in the gaming industry, many game developers and platforms are introducing AML measures, including identity verification, KYC, transaction monitoring, and reporting of suspicious activities. By increasing security and transparency, the industry aims to mitigate the risk associated with money laundering and illicit financial activities. How much money is laundered through the gaming industry? It is challenging to determine the exact amount of money laundered through the gaming industry due to the illicit and covert nature of money laundering activities. Money laundering can occur in various forms within the gaming sector, such as casinos, online gambling platforms, and virtual in-game economies. Several factors contribute to the difficulty of estimating the exact content of money laundering in the gaming industry. Lack of transparency. Money launderers go to great lengths to hide their activities, making it challenging for authorities to detect and track such transactions. Varied methods. Money laundering can take on various forms within the gaming industry, including using casinos to convert illicit funds into chips or exploiting virtual currencies in online games. Global nature. The gaming industry is international, and money laundering activities may span multiple jurisdictions, making it even harder to quantify. Limited data. Accurate data on money laundering in the gaming industry is often scarce, as these activities are typically concealed. The actual context of money laundering in the gaming industry may vary by region and time, and it depends on a multitude of factors, including the level of regulation and oversight in the particular area. It is essential for gaming companies to work closely with regulatory authorities and law enforcement agencies to address these issues and maintain the integrity of the industry. How is AML helping the gaming industry? Anti-money laundering AML measures play a crucial role in helping the gaming industry by preventing illegal activities, ensuring compliance with regulations, and enhancing the overall integrity of the industry. Here are some ways in which AML helps the gaming industry. Preventing money laundering. AML measures help identify and prevent money laundering activities in the gaming industry. Money launderers may use casinos or online gaming platforms to convert illegal proceeds into seemingly legitimate winnings, and AML helps detect and report suspicious transactions. Compliance with regulations. The gaming industry is subject to various regulations and legal requirements, including those aimed at preventing financial crimes. AML helps gaming companies comply with these regulations, reducing the risk of legal repercussions and penalties. Enhanced reputation. Implementing robust AML practices can help gaming companies build a reputation for integrity and trustworthiness. Gamblers are more likely to choose platforms with strong AML measures, as they are assured that their transactions are secure and that the industry is committed to preventing illegal activities. Reducing fraud and cheating. AML measures can also help reduce fraud and cheating in the gaming industry. By monitoring financial transactions and player behaviour, suspicious activities can be identified and dealt with promptly. Customer due diligence. AML requires gaming companies to perform customer due diligence, which involves verifying the identities of their players. This not only helps by preventing money laundering, but also creates a safer environment for players by reducing the chances of identity theft and fraud. Reporting suspicious activity. AML regulations mandate that gaming companies report any suspicious financial transactions or activities to the appropriate authorities. This helps law enforcement agencies investigate potential criminal activities. International cooperation. AML efforts in the gaming industry often involve international cooperation and information sharing to track down cross-border money laundering and criminal networks. Protecting the industry's legitimacy. AML measures contribute to the gaming industry's legitimacy and help combat negative stereotypes associated with gambling and gaming. Risk mitigation. Implementing AML measures helps gaming companies identify and mitigate risks associated with financial crimes, which can affect their financial stability and operational efficiency. And financial stability. By reducing the potential for money laundering and other financial crimes, AML measures contribute to the financial stability of the gaming industry. In summary, AML plays a critical role in ensuring the integrity of the gaming industry by preventing money laundering, complying with regulations, protecting customers, and promoting a secure and trustworthy environment for players. These measures are vital in maintaining the industry's legitimacy and reputation. Well, there you have it. What is the gaming industry, how money launderers are infiltrating the gaming industry, and how AML is helping the gaming industry. Please tell us in the comments section if you think the gaming industry needs to do more to tackle money laundering, and any other topics you would like us to cover in the future. We have now launched our very own courses for you to take a more in-depth look at a variety of subjects, such as Introduction to AML, Beneficial Ownership, and Customer Risk Rating, for example. So make sure you visit our website for further details, and let us help you connect the dots in KYC. Thank you for watching the video, and if you made it this far, don't forget to like and subscribe to watch more amazing videos.